はそうですね、フォアマンとかですか。
フォアマンの試合、
自分が全体でやった時とか、そういうような感じで、やっぱりラスベガスで。
そうですか。じゃあ後ほどそういった、経験された賑やかさともちょっと比較していただきたいと思いますが、じゃあ失礼いたしました。このラウンドは8ラウンドです。第8ラウンドに入りました。 WBC 世界ストローク級タイトルマッチ第8ラウンドに入っています。右のストレート、グローブの上に当たっていますが、左のアッパー、左のアッパー、ガードの隙を見事につきました。
距離から左アッパー打てるんですからね。
強烈な左のアッパー、鮮烈。これは立つことができない。ノックアウトです。リカルド・ロペスの左のアッパー一戦。
さっきのラウンドちょっとリズム悪いなと思っても一発あるっていうのは強みですね。
しかも距離がありましたね。
距離からは誰も飛んでくるとは思わないですからね。今のビラマーの組んだパンチは不用意でも何でもないんですよ。あれはサウスポースタイルで構えて、まさか向こうから左アッパー来るとは誰も予想できないですから。
アラビラモアの2度目の世界挑戦、ノックアウト負けです。
This is his opportunity. We're going to have to see if he can really come through with this and perform well.
Hindi ako takot sa kanya, siguro palang manalo tayo kasi nagawa sa meron sabi ni Dilio na takot daw si Bumbum. Sabi ni Bumbum, hindi ako takot sa iyo. Ito ang talagang hinihintay ko na maglaban tayo ulit.
Maglaban Bobby Chacon, part of the Sacramento boxing history.
Nobody really throwing a jab out there.
Sweeping left for the champion.
Batista's stable looks a bit tight. He hasn't really loosened up yet. That was right on the chin. And let me tell you, the ropes held him up and he still looks really wobbly on his feet. Ponce de Leon wants to get back in there, wants to get him. Referee's giving him a good long count.
Plenty of time, referee John Curley looking at
This is it. That's it. It's over. And it just showed that Ponce de Leon was very warm. He started the fight off.
Analyst na mas magiging praktisado na at makakabawi rin si Boom Boom sa mga susunod niyang laban.
Boom Boom just got boomed. Okay? So, ang kanyang mentality kasi knockout artist siya na he can knock out anybody. Now you get a dose of your own medicine.
Sa score.
Sa World Cup. Pero alam ko naman natalo ako kasi masakit yung kamay. Kasi na-sprint yung kamay ko, nag-sparring kami ni Jerep Nialosa. Tamaan sa siko. Yun, sa 1 week na lang, tamaan yun sa siko. Sa Saturday yung laban ko. Wala talaga ako sa focus. Napag-isuntok yung kamay ko, parang tutulo yung luha ko sa sakit. Pero pag natamaan ko yun siya, siguro ganun din ang mangyari sa kanya. Kung pumasok lang yung suntok ko.
Masakit. Yun lang binigay ng kalaban niya. Ano lang, pitik lang, wala na. Talo sa dagat.
Sabi niya, Ma, hindi ako nagtagumpay. Sabi niya gano'n. Miyak si Ray.
Kung ano lang, hindi lang ako na-sprint yung kamay ko, may kalalagyan sa akin.
Tapos nakahanap siya ng mga butas sa depensa.
Number 7, dito maganda action dito eh. Ayan o, si Torres has made good use of his time with Fred Rhodes and dito Ala Villamor.
Ito yung dangerous situation para kay Torres, no? He went down here and that was ruled a slip, but he held on.
Yun yung point deduction.
Exactly, and it took him some time to get up. About 1:14.
112 for your winner by split decision and still.
Gores and Montiel talaga malaking chance natin kasi nakita na ni Z Gores na lumaban si Montiel against Gonzales. Sabi niya sa akin, coach, panalo tayo dito pag may chance tayong lalaban tayo ng WB ni Montiel, may chance tayo, malaking chance natin na kung sigurado ka. Sigurado ako, coach, tatalunin natin yan.
Finding the mark. He's a little tentative, he's a little cautious. Marami na isuluntok itong si Victor Chinya, but as the knockdown, it's hard. And Zigores is actually pushed down. Oh, they call a knockdown! They call a knockdown! That's unbelievable! They call a knockdown!
Mga dirty tactics niya, yung blocking, yung headbutt, elbow niya. Oh, parang napagod ako sa ano niya.
Sa tingin mo, saan ka nagkamali dito sa laban na to para hindi mo makuhuli yung panalo?
Siguro, no. I did all my best sa laban, then siguro sa referee talaga. Sa referee talaga yung kahit mga tao naman di ba?
So anong plano mo? Tingin mo, rematch?
Siguro kung anong plano nila si Rala. Kung gusto sila ng rematch, so why not? Pasensya na kung hindi ko napanalo ang laban, pero talagang ginawa ko po lahat. Siguro, hindi pa siguro, time siguro.
Going after him, the body shots are really hurting, ripping into Banal.
Si Banal naman na nag-hold on.
Parang nanlalata siya.
Humina siya dahil nasaktan talaga siya.
Less than a minute.
I think he expected Concepcion to come back. Like he has.
Oh, he got caught with a hard right. Oh, down. Bounced off the rope to the right hook.
With the right. Straight, and Banal looks over to his corner, tells him to fall, and he's down.
Oh no! He was knocked over. Rafael Concepcion coming back. Yes, because he deserved to win. He earned it. He hurt him. There's that right.
I mean, there were several times when, the referee, there's that right straight that,
And Banal didn't get up. He looked up at his corner. He had nothing left.
The corner was telling him to wait, actually, to take like a few seconds.
But he had nothing left.
But I don't think...
And the referee even stopped his count to tell Concepcion to go back to the neutral corner.
He deserved to win. Let's be fair about it.